In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email notifications for form submissions on Webflow. So this is actually very simple to do, and it means every time somebody goes ahead and fills in a form, you will get a notification to say that they've actually done that, so you can go and check if they are applicable, or just check on the submission basically. So it's very easy to do, and of course what you need to do first, make sure you have put a submission form on your Webflow site. Just that way it means that you're actually going to get submissions. So first of all, I'd make sure, put it on, and then actually test it out to make sure that it works. Now if you've done that, what we can go ahead and do now is we can go back here to our dashboard, and once we go to the dashboard, we want to go ahead and hover over our Webflow site. Might take a few seconds depending on your Wi-Fi, that kind of thing. And once it's loaded, hover over it and go to this little cog icon in the top right. It says Site Settings. And from here, what we can do is we can go across to where it says Forms down here. Go ahead and click on that. So inside here, these are all of the settings for the forms on your Webflow site. This is specific for the site that you're on, so it changes per site. Just remember that. Now, you might have to get one of their hosting plans in order to customize these here. So just taking that into account, that you have to potentially upgrade your plan. You have all your settings in here. You have your form submissions, you have your spam, you have restrict files, you have your captures if you want all of that stuff. But here's the sending, or the notification sending section. So you see it's form notifications. So the way it works here is you have sender name. So this will be used as the name on the form. So you could change it to something like Webflow's form submission. And then what we have here is the send form submission to. So this is where you put your email in. And essentially every time you get a submission on this specific site, it's going to send the submission to your email or a notification of it. You've also got a subject line here, so you can change the subject line just to so you know what it is. So you can put new submission, and if you just leave it like this, they'll have the dynamic variables. So it'll tell you which site you're getting a submission on. Then down here we have the reply to address. You can put that in if you want to, and then you also have your email template just there. But essentially, if you fill all of these in and you go ahead and save it, that should allow you to receive the email notifications when someone submits a form on Webflow. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below that it helped, and let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to make about Webflow or anything else. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.